Today I'm just going to be talking a bit about how my life has changed since I've had the hair system. It's my dog just crying. Because she wants to go on a walk. Ceci will go soon. Basically, it's given me so much more confidence. Like, the fact of not having to wear a hat is just, well, it's something I never thought I'd be able to do. Like, I'm just so happy with it. Like, even no one even contemplate. People just think that this is what my hair was like underneath my hat. Like, no one thinks, like, you know, is it a system or whatever. Like, it's just, oh, it's insane. Like, the positive responses I've got from it are amazing, and I honestly don't think I could ever go without one. But yeah, life at home with the system is amazing.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look round our website at hairforall.com.